Welcome back. We're at it again with another installment of our Mixology at Home series here at Alley 26. I'm Shannon Healy, and right now we're going to make up a blood orange old fashioned. Now, this is going to feature our Alley 26 blood orange simple, and we chose this one because it still gives you at home a lot of leeway to plug and play. The recipe calls for 2 ounces of either bourbon or rye, and then a 1/4 ounce of the syrup, which is just enough where you can taste the syrup, but not too much that you can't taste your bourbon or rye. And then it just says bitters. The reason we left it open like that is so that you can kind of choose your own adventure. If you're choosing rye whiskey, you might want to choose Peychaud. It's worked in plenty of New Orleans cocktails. If you're choosing bourbon, maybe you want an Angostura or a regular aromatic, or maybe with either you want to just choose orange bitters or a combination. So we kind of wanted to leave some playing room for you. But here, at any rate, here comes the chassis on which we're going to build this cocktail. We're going to get a glass. We're going to go with 3 dashes. I'm going to use Angostura. We're going to do a 1/4 ounce of our blood orange syrup. There we go. And last but certainly not least, we're going to use 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm using a bonded bourbon, 100 proof, because I want some whiskey in my whiskey. There we go. And then I'm going to put 4 nice cubes in there. Now, your cubes, your glass, your choice. But I like 4 of these nice round, square cubes. If the ones you have at home are a little different, but at any rate, I don't mind the cubes poking out over the solution a little bit, but I want them all touching, because otherwise they're just kind of melting into the drink and they're not chilling the drink. So there you go. That's pretty much it. However, nothing says delicious old fashioned like the sight of a really pretty cherry. So there you have it. It's just that easy. A blood orange old fashioned. Enjoy.